Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about the polar region. Where is polar region located? The polar region where lies near the poles. It is called the polar region. One side you can see north and south. North polar region and south polar region. Where is exactly located that? North polar region. North polar region located between Arctic Circle and North Pole, 90 degrees North Pole. What is the boundary of this region? Arctic Circle. Similarly, South Polar region there. Where is that? It lies between Antarctic Circle and South Pole, 90 degrees latitude South Pole. So what is the boundary of that polar, South Polar region? Antarctic Circle. In our textbook mentioned about 8th class, mostly about North Polar region. Okay, you can see this. The northern part of the continents within the polar region known as tundra. The word tundra derives from the word Finnish, Tanturia. Finnish is a language of Finland and also spoken in Russia and Sweden. What is the meaning of that Tanturia? It is barren or treeless hill. Instead, the tundra has patchy, low to ground vegetation consisting of small shrubs, grasses, mosses and sedges and leeches, all of which are the better adapted to withstand tundra conditions. What is this tundra vegetation? Tundra means what? Tundra means very cold. Since the tundra region gets very little sunlight, it has a unique type of vegetation known as tundra vegetation. Seasons in tundra. In tundra region, it is extreme cold climate conditions. It is difficult even imagine the cold in the tundra. If you see in our country, the sun rises and sunsets every day. But this kind of situation does not happen in the tundra region. It is almost dark throughout November, December and January month, since the sun does not rise at all. This is the winter of the tundra and it is bitterly cold during these months. Severe cold climate conditions. Extreme cold climate conditions. At the time, water freezes to become ice in these extreme cold climate conditions. What will happen? The water of the rivers, lakes, seas, these are all frozen only. Strong cold winds blow. This is only, and there is snowfall occur. due to the severe cold and dark ice conditions. Due to the severe cold, dark and icy conditions, all the plants die. Even birds and animals leave this region and migrate to other places. The whole region becomes dark, deserted and desolated. No one appears in this during this winter season. Do you know how many seasons in polar region? Mostly in tundra. Only two reasons appear: winter season and summer season. What is winter season? Where the sun does not appear, completely dark conditions, mostly in November, December, January months. Completely dark in this region. This months known as winter. Similarly, summer. Now we will learn about summer season in tundra region. The sun begins to shine in the tundra around February and March. This is the beginning in that region. In that beginning, the sun shines for a maximum of 1.5 hour and then sets. Gradually, the length increases starting from 2 hours, then next 6 hours, 8 hours, 16 hours, and finally 24 hours. Then for almost 3 months, from May, June, July, the sun never sets. It shines all 24 hours. But the sun does not rise overhead. Then where it is? Sun always appears in that horizon. Horizon means what is that? Horizon is the place where the earth appears to meet the sky. Understand? Since that sun does not go high up in the sky, it's never very warm. You know, in these 3 months, completely sun shines only. Sun never set. You know this, which is known as land of midnight sun. Which country it is? You know that? Yes, Norway. Norway also located in this region only. Understand? Even in these 3 months of summer, it is cold, but it is comparatively less cold than the winter months only. Due to these warm weather conditions, some of the ice melts. The rivers which are frozen during the winter, then it starts melt and begin to flow during the summer season only. The lakes fill up and huge chunks of ice break off and float into the ocean as icebergs. Okay? The land which was frozen and desolate in the winter comes alive with color during summer. Beautiful color, because all the trees and flowering there. When summer approaches, many multicolored plants, lichens, grass, shrubs, and berries sprout all around. They bear flowers and fruits of different colors. Many birds and animals come to feed on them. During winter season, they migrate to some other places. Again, during summer season, they came to these places. Understand? Now, we will learn about the people in polar region, Eskimos, and their life. The people lives in North America polar region called Eskimos, whereas in polar region of Eurasia they are called as Lapps, where they are living in that Eskimos, mostly in Canada, Greenland and Siberia and Alaska. You can simply remember GAS. C, GAS. C means Canada, G means Greenland, A means Alaska, S means Siberia. You will simply remember this. Understand? What were their occupations? Hunting and fishing is their main occupation of the Eskimos. Eskimo means snowshoe knitter. Understand? There were two main groups. One is Inuit, another one Yupik. What is the meaning of Inuit? Inuit means the real people or the originates. How many main languages are spoken by Eskimos? There are 3 languages are there. Eskimos have been spoken for thousands of years, but they were not written down until modern times because there is no script at all. What are the 3 main languages are there? Aleut, Yupik and Inupiaq. Inupiaq spoken from northern Alaska to Greenland has the most speakers there in the particular places. It has many dialects also there. Eskimos first entered in North America region about 500 years ago. They crossing the Bering Strait and they entered into Asia. The Eskimos first entered into North America about 500 years ago. How they came to that North America? They are crossing the Bering Strait from Asia. Eskimos using that sledge dogs. Eskimos using sledge dogs vehicles. What is that? Umiaks. Umiaks means open boats. Eskimos travel on water in open boats. They are called as umiaks. What is that? Kayaks. Kayaks means kayaks are the small boats made of animal skins with wood. Where they are living? Eskimos. They live in igloos. What is the meaning of igloo? Igloo means shelter. But actually they are not lived in like dome shaped only. Different kinds of shape there. They may live in dome shaped building also, dome shaped houses also, but different kind of structures there. Understand? Thank you. మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ ఫైనల్లీ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ది బెల్ ఐకాన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Ooh.